It's me, Manikant, welcoming you on my channel TFA. I am here with a new topic, Varn Vyavastha. First of all, I would like to explain why the topic is needed for today's discussions. As we know, there is a very big disease is prevailing in our society that's also called COVID-19, and it is also called as coronavirus disease. There is no any cure or vaccination for this disease in our society has come at till now, and the only solution for this disease is social distancing. But in my point of view, this word should be physical distancing, because we the human are social animal, and there is need of society for our living. The in this system, we prevail to make distance from others of 1 to 2 meter, and this is also called in prime minister point of view, do gaj ki duri. I would like to ask you a question. Is this promoting untouchability in our society? The answer is no. There is no untouchability, because prevention is better than cure. Okay, so we should prevent ourselves from others with 1 to 2 meter distance. This is the physical distance, not social distance. But I would like to ask you, is there any this type of system in our ancient culture? The answer is yes. There is a Varn Vyavastha available in our society that promotes a good system. A category called as Sudras, we make distance from them not due to their of low caste. We are making distance because they are working with animals, they are doing the leather works, meat works, etc. And these are the things that promotes viral disease. Okay, then why we ask them to make distance? Because as we touch them, then viruses may come to us, and that is why we are making distance from. I would like to explain clearly this what is the Varn Vyavastha. In this Varn Vyavastha, there were four categories in our society. First one is Brahmin, second one is Kshatriya, third one is Vaishya, and the last one is Sudras. Let me explain one by one. One who teaches society or guides society, that's called Brahmins, and one who protects us and govern accordingly is called Kshatriya. And the Vaishya have to do the businesses, all kind of businesses do done by them. And the last one is Sudras, that have to serve the society. Service sector is for them, and this is the system. There were no any caste system, there were no any untouchability in our ancient society, and this is the work based system, not birth based system. Okay, these words untouchability, caste system, these all are imported from foreigners, especially Europeans. Okay, now I can prove that there were no any this type of society and in our culture, because anyone can change their category at that time. For example, if we take the Valmiki, who was a Sudra and he became Brahman. Another example is Parshuram, who was Brahman and he changed his category and became the Kshatriya, and protected ourselves, protected the earth from many and many times. Okay, there is also proof of the system, violating the system and untouchability, that were prevailing in our society at that time according to the Britishers. Okay, Prabhu Ram has eaten the bed of sabji. This proves that there were no untouchability in our society. The younger brother of Lord Rama, who is Bharat, who touched the feet of Nishad Rajput. These are the examples which can prove that there were no any untouchability in our society, and we can definitely say that there were no any this type of untouchability in our society, and we were great, and we will be great. Okay, Vishwaguru Bharatam. This was the logo for this today's discussion, and we will definitely become the Vishwaguru. Thank you very much.